How are you? I hope that you feel great in your house. Okay, I will show you this tutorial video. And my name is Selena Mejia. Okay, for this, I choose an interesting topic for you. And the topic is first conditionals. Maybe you believe, what is a first conditional? Okay, I'm going to tell you. Okay, a first conditional are facts or plans that you have in order to do in the future. It is something that happened in the future. Okay, if you see here these sentences, okay, I have this one sentences here, and the sentence says, if it is sunny, I will go to the beach. These pictures that I have here represent the sentences. If it is sunny, I will go to the beach. It is something that happened maybe tomorrow, maybe the next week or the next month. It is something that happened in the future. Okay, this is a question. What is first conditional? I have two different meanings. The first one, it is describe something that is possible and or really happen. It is possible that happen in the future. It is a plan that I have and that I want to do in the future. Number two, refers when we talk about actions or events that have possibilities to happen in the future time. As I already told you, okay, it is events or plans that you have and you are going to do in the future. Okay, if you see here these pictures, forms to use first conditional. Okay, we have three different forms in order to use this interesting topic, in order to have a conversation, in order to have a communication with my friends, in order to talk about my future plans. And the first one, it is affirmative, negative, and questions. We use this in affirmative way, we use in negative way, and we use this in question, using question mark. Okay, if you see this picture, I have an example. The first one, that it is affirmative way. If the weather is nice, I will go to the park. It is a affirmative way. And negative, if the company doesn't make a product, they won't give a bid. Okay, what is this? That if you see the difference between an affirmative and negative way, okay, we change. Why? Because in affirmative way we use will, in negative way we use want. And a question, what will you do if you can't sleep tonight? That is a question. Okay, I have three different sentences in affirmative form. Okay, the first one, if you study hard, you will pass the exams. That is a affirmative. You need to study hard if you want to pass the exams. Number two, if I wake up late, I will miss the bus. Okay, that is possible. If I wake late, it is possible that I miss the bus in order to travel to the work. Okay, and the third one, If it rains, we will stay at home. That it is possible. If tomorrow it rains, I will stay at home, or we will stay at home. Okay, that it is an affirmative way. Now we have a negative form. Okay, we have three different sentences in negative form, and you are going to see the difference. Okay, the first one: if we don't work hard, we won't finish the project on time. Okay, that is the consequence. If we don't work hard, the consequence it is we won't finish the project on time. Number two: if I don't have money, I won't buy a new cell phone. That it is a negative form. If she is sick, she won't go to the meeting. That it is possible that if she is sick, she won't go to the meeting. And I have 8 questions. The first one: what will you do if you feel bored the next Sunday? That it is that you need to imagine it in order to answer this question. You need to answer this question in a possible way or in a negative way, whatever you want. How will you feel if you fail your next test? And the third one: when will you go to bed if you are really tired tonight? You need to answer possible or negative way. Okay, if you see here, I have three sentences in order to practice, and the last one, it is a question that you need to answer with your arms thinking or your arms words. Okay, and the first one: if your sister goes to Canada, she good time. Okay, student question: do you have the answers from these first sentences? Maybe here it is will have. Okay, student question, can you see this? Okay, if your sister goes to Canada, she will have a good time. Okay, the number 2: I won't arrive to Tegucigalpa on time. What is the result? Okay, if I leave late. Okay, I won't arrive to Tegucigalpa on time if I leave late. And the next: if you don't go to the party, I'm very upset. Student question, what is the answer for this? Okay, maybe will be. Okay, if you don't go to the party, I will be very upset. Okay, and the last one, it is a question for you. Okay, what will you do tomorrow if it is raining? That you are going to answer this question to your arms words in order to practice this topic, this interesting topic for you. Okay, students, I hope that this tutorial video it is a successful and help you a lot of in order to learn a new topic or in order to practice the English language. Okay, this is all for this class, and we need to practice a lot. Okay, bye, students.